Alright guys, Dave Sports Cards, and I'm back with another break. Like I said in my previous video, doing one box of the 2012 Leaf Metal Draft. So yeah, looking forward to this. Let's see what we get. 8 autograph cards per box. Got a really good deal on this, so can't beat that. I was pretty happy with the deal. I think I got it for, oh, what was it? Was it 68? I think I got it for $68, so not bad. But alright, let's get to it. And this is a nice box, so I want to kind of keep the box in good condition. So, here we go. Pulled that nice dual auto from some loose packs of Tribute. Let's see if we can have some luck here. Alright, this is my first time opening this, so be curious to see what we got here. I was watching some breaks by KG Sports Cards, and I think he did a box of this and a box of Signature Series, if I'm correct, and kind of made me want to get some, so found some. Alright, and I believe these are all sleeved up and top loaded, so alright, here they are. Alright, oh wow, this is a nice nice packaging. So let's see what we got. Got a Jeff Galelic auto. These are all on card. Lance McCullers Jr. Bruce Maxwell. Alex Wood. Michael Kelly. We got some, looks like we got some color in here, a refractor. J.O. Barrios. Chris Stratton. And, oh wow, Ty Buttrey. And that is a purple. Holy cow. 9/25. Nice. Sweet. Purple. These are nice looking cards. I like that these are all on card. We got any more numbered? Oh, another numbered one. Okay. The Chris Stratton is numbered 47/99. Not sure if you guys can see that. These all look like, no, this one's numbered 47/99. These aren't all numbered, are they? No, that's not. That's not. That's not. Neither are these. So 3 numbered ones, not bad. This looks like 2 refractors. It's kind of hard to tell actually in my lighting. But yeah, 2 refractors, Chris Stratton and J.O. Barrios. Those are both 47/99. Look at that. And the Ty Buttrey, or Buttrey, however you say that. Purple out of 25. Sweet. Not bad. Take that. So that was pretty good. Next up will be the Panini Signature Series. Stay tuned.